Hey everyone, my name is Kangs. Okay, today I just want to share something little about this thing over here. It's an L bracket for the camera, for DSLR camera. So I saw it online. It's not that expensive. It's very cheap but very useful. So you use it like this. So once you take your camera, you can mount it. It's L, like you can see here, and just like your normal knob on your tripod, you can mount it, and it's have a screw. Just screw it, just like a mount on the tripod. Okay, I want to align it, make sure it's well aligned. Okay, so to mount it, it's very easy and very quick. That's why I bought it. So it's just like that. Sorry, I pressed the shutter by mistake. Okay, yeah, like that, and you're good. And if you want to, this is the most the most important part of it. Okay, the reason as to why I bought it, it's because of the vertical. When I want to shoot what we call like a portrait, okay, sorry, when you want to shoot portrait, it's usually very easy. Yeah, it's like that, and yeah, and you're good. Like it's that easy and that simple. Yeah, as you can see, camera is very well secured, whether you are shooting outside or doesn't matter. As you can see, very useful equipment, not expensive at all, but very useful. I did not align it well. Should be straight here. Yes, something like that. Yes. So thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing, and see you on the next video. Yeah, goodbye.